What is an operating system? An operating system, OS, is the central software in a computer, serving as the master control program. It acts as an intermediary between the user and the computer hardware. Here are its key functions are given below. First, controls all computer devices and monitors their status. Second, manages the structure of files and folders. Third, enables user interaction with files and folders, such as creating, copying, moving, and deleting. Fourth, tracks the disk space utilized by specific files or programs. What are the types of an operating system? First, interactive, GUI-based, a user-friendly OS where commands can be executed by clicking or right-clicking with a mouse. Example, Windows. Second, single-user OS, allows only one user to perform one task at a time on the computer. Example, disk operating system. Third, multi-user OS, enables multiple users to work simultaneously or at different times. Examples, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. Fourth, real-time OS, used to control machines, instruments, and robots, and in complex animations and automated machines. Examples, Windows, Linux. Fifth, distributed OS, operates on interconnected computers, combining their resources into a single integrated system through a network. Examples, Windows, Unix, Linux. What are the components of Windows? First, computer displays all storage areas, including drives, files, and folders, as well as external devices like DVD drives and pen drives. Second, documents, default storage for user-created documents, providing a location for various document types. Third, taskbar, a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen, featuring the Start button on the left and the notification area on the right. Fourth, Start button, located on the left side of the taskbar, opens the Start menu for accessing programs and shutting down the computer. Fifth, All programs, provides access to all installed applications on the computer. Sixth, Search box, allows users to search for files, folders, or run executable files. Seventh, Control panel, enables users to adjust various computer settings and manage installed apps. 8. Recycle bin, holds deleted files and folders, allowing users to easily restore items deleted by mistake. What is file system? A file system is how we organize, save, and access files on a computer. Files are stored with names and extensions separated by a period. Here are some naming conventions are: use alphabets, numbers, and certain special symbols like underscore and space. And names can be up to 255 characters long. What is cleaning procedure in computer components? To extend the lifespan of computer components, regular cleaning and preventative maintenance are essential. Here are some precautions for cleaning. First, turn off and unplug the computer before cleaning. Second, avoid spraying cleaning fluid directly onto components.